pass and move. Mama sita tingo shakera mutuze, pass and move, pass and move. Atina shika tina chinjari we groove.
It's the battle of the Giants right here at Papa Field Stadium. Emma Kumeni, Islanders Football Club taking on Dynamos Football Club. The channel is Tap 3 TV. The program is Pass and Move special, proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets. My brother.
Uthi Mtala.
Okay mnandi sikhipani.
Ungayibona. Sifuna igame yalamhlanje.
Ngiyafiwa is the big one. Singakhuluma ngegame. Ngicongitshele nge-ticketing system uthi uyibone njani?
I think that's a good idea anti-ticketing system le and beku extend to other games not le Dynamos le Islanders yabo maybe kunganceda ku decongest emagedini abantu ababuya ngama last minute hoping ukuthi iacceptance ama ticket yakona iyabi fast system uthi kuskana abantu bengene ngoba nxa ubhadalisa so mebhadalise bedinga ama change besenzani lokhona bekuphuzisa hayi it's a good idea i-ticketing system le.
Then namuhla igame uyibona njani?
Aya lamda uchikile obhanqa hayi I can't give a straight win to Islanders, I can't give a straight win to Dynamos, but what I can say ukuthi khona hayi it's going to be a tough game and best team is abuya lama 3 points.
The prediction yakho ngobona wakho
1-1.
Ubugwala.
So gwala I'm being cautious. So bugwala. Yabona I'm playing it cautious. Yabona I'm playing it safe.
Nice one. Sport after Borujafa.
Thanks Archie.
Sharp my brother. My brother.
How's it, my friend?
It's Kiban.
Little for it. Hey, what a game, what a match, Sealanda, a big one. The Giants of Zimbabwe football. We're expecting a good match. I hope we're going to make it.
Cheramina, ticketing system. We want to
so far on my side, I've liked maybe with Sibele online to prevent his commerce. I think online, we have never used it, but I think it will be the best option. We've got our numbers whereby sometimes we clear our numbers eventually stadium. But I think on the online system side, maybe we are going to get the really numbers because we really need our fans. We really need this money to push the club up, because without fans we're nothing. We'll be executive that they only going to get imali yetu antiyabona.
Alright, tell me now, ikeme na prediction uyibona njani?
Obvious, we are Highlanders. No doubt, we are Highlanders.
Niki prediction?
No, I can't. We are Highlanders.
Ntanjo, uyasaba uniki prediction?
Mina prediction engotsho ukuthi kongona iHighlander izawina ingehluleka ayikho khona. Kodwa into ebemfuna ukuyibuza ukuthi kathi amabhiza lawo esiwabonayo abe engapi nxa sidlala labo Bulawayo Chiefs, sidlala labo Sikelini, labo Scotland, lamanye ama team. Why amabhiza ebuya nxa sidlala eDynamos? People should understand angazi abantu abafundela security and okunye kuyizinto ama-hooligans are actually trying konke provoked ngezinto ezinje bangabona khona umoya yabo isivuka sebefuna ukuvusa umsindo. I think we should be, security should be the same across all teams, because Islanders is a peace loving team and the fans are a peace loving team. Amabhiza kabuye phe nxa sidlala eChickenini.
Alright, ungakahambi i-ticketing system ibone njani bro?
Ticketing system was super, was great. I think if we continue like this, and we'll also have proper figures of our numbers of attendances and lama figures anjani, because online online ubesiya page athenga iticket lakhe ubengakwanisi uyathenga egedini. This is improving iportal. That's supposed to ufika emazweni sokushota ama bucket seat.
Hayi qedisa ikoti yakho sibona after bora.
Yizo mzala.
My brother man.
Yeah, put us right.
Mnandi khuluma nami.
Khuluma nge-online ticketing. Yabona masi yenza online. Umdizo uzaba khona la PPF la uzaba mningi.
Ngiyabusho njalo.
Amapholisa sethole imali la. iPSA lilapha kufanele ikhangelisise kakhulu la. Ngoba kuzaba lo mdizo omningi la. Kuzayenzakala umdizo omningi la. Ise gap yabanye abantu le uma kuthiwa online ticketing. Ngilalo sibili ticketing lithenge online. Kodwa abanye bazabangena ngama $2 $3 la bengeniswa ngomdizo la.
Oh, nya izinto echo. Alright, niki i-prediction yanamuhla sibonti uthini wena?
Siyawina 2-1.
Mbali hlohlayo.
Hlohlayo ngikhangelele uReason.
Zonke.
Reason zonke.
Ah, nice one, my brother. Asibona after Bora. Mana ngizwe okucina. Ah, bakhulu baningi. Buyanini majesi, buyanini sithi kabra kakawani. Zokana. Ngingakabuza okuningi. Ngifuna liqala injele nge-online ticketing system le ukuthi libone njani. Lonke online ticketing system libone. Ngiqale ngayiphutha. Sibone njani online ticketing system?
Singazi phambili.
Alright, ungazi phambili but i-process yakhona okwamanje ibona njani Budas?
Sabe singena data abanye mina njamshe ngondorindori so hayi lokho ngabazama into ezingcono online ayenzi
Budas yami.
Mina I'm very happy because ngikwanisile ukuthola lami ticket eMozi bhuti wami to avoid ama queue lani because last time if you remember enye game eDynamos there were abantu abangatholanga ama ticket abafike nge last minute which means izinto ziyabonakala ukuthi kusasele lentuthuko kusenza la kanani but I'm so happy because ngikwanisile ukuthola lami ticket eMozi. I'm very happy about that.
Nice one, my brother. Ngapha ke
I'm so confused because mina neticket elinjani.
why complimentary wengena ngala lihluphi lela lihluphi complimentary lihluphi is different from amanye
Abanye bale white.
I-complimentary lihluphi hayi but yasiyami ubona njani online
online lishapu kakhulu kade sasakhale ngokuthi hey imali yakho idabukile ichange what so ngikulayina kade sekukhambisa iticket ungene kuphela so ngumtherentende kade siyahamba kuphela siyaphambili
lentela mina i-prediction sesingena
Highlanders 3-1
ngapha
Draw.
ngapha
hayi 2-1
uphi unayo
obvious ngezimnyama enkani abangaholiyo bawina aba strikeayo bawina
ngapha
Lezi obvious i-draw lezi.
Alright, sharp my brother. Sharp Budas. Sharp. Alright, sesilungiselela ukungena machita lo mdimbare le Highlander. Machita lishabu.
Ndinofara wiri.
Adufara mjarango. Puta sushabu.
Nishabu kakhulu zikhipha la Barcelona.
Mnandi uyafara wena.
Hayi angiright kakhulu ngithabe kakhulu.
Alright, khuluma lami game namhlanje ibona nje game naso ruona sei.
Game nasara kanaka my brothers are kutamba but team ichagona no winner but first 30 minutes inenge ya winner kudara.
Prediction yako iluthi
2-1. Dynamos.
Ngapha
Uphambanisile isikhiwa lapha uthi umbuzo in favor akakwazi uJono. Ibhoso yeza winner 2-1. Siyabonga mthala.
Right, Makorokoto Mkonga perfect fuku winner man of the match from Lucky Bets.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy.
Saka initiative ye Lucky Bets yokuwinisa man of the match each and every game muri kuitambira sese watambiwe napho.
Insane, I'm very grateful. Sema players ebora tinodo chinchora machikoti encourage otambi tishanda nesimba. So I'm very grateful and I want to say thank you to Lucky Bets.
Okay, saka motivation yama now especially coming up to second half. You came, you changed your game and upped your game. What did the coach say in the past half?
The coach just told me, Kuti, you must man up. You're a senior player. Go and show your character.
Okay. Totenda nokutamba zvakanaka kwamaita.
My brother.
Sure.
Skip and put up.
I'm not trained.
Highlanders one Dynamos one njani game.
I came ibiswi. I ibiswi. What I want to say and ngakhuluma ngithi keep on, you are loving the football. The football is very nice. You are doing the great job. Everyone is doing the great job. I'm supporting today. I'm just very happy.
Nice one, my brother. How far change?
Sure mtala.
How far probably njani game?
Hayi game ibishapu nje kuphela ubhenjani ubhaze uphuze ukusabhula lapha uthi abantu besebedini kumele next time nanzele fast ukuthi osekhathele mbani ukuze kube right uphuzile but azazi besiwin azazi game ibishapu siyabonga lama supporters namhla udliwanga ngoba umsindo. Thanks very much for that.
Nice one, my brother. Put on mushap.
It was a good game ibimnandi beku top thokozile and then siphayize nje lapha but hayi team clean abanye bangareach kakhulu and then ku substitution khona phana kokuyilahla khona but kasisoteli angasifakele even ukuda first half khona phana aqalise team ngaba ngcono lapha niyabibambile.
Nice one, my brother. Put on mushap.
Put us 10.
I'm not clean always and you as
Clean. Spongo
Maposa keep on program. Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Yebo yes. Abafana bethu abafana bonke ngiyafisa ukuthi bebe le spirit esinjengesika Nigerian. Bebe le fighting spirit throughout the game. I-game iziphele. And well done to Nigerian. Labo ball boy bethu ababe fast bengavumela abafana
kubuya befika bejikela amabhora oball boy bethu ababe fast bejikela amabhora mama bhora sikwazi ukuthi abevela nga.
Nice one, my brother. My brother.
How are you?
Welcome to Depth TV, my brother.
Yeah, I'm good.
We were in the game.
The game was okay, but the aim is as also Highlanders defenders, we wanted a win. Like we wanted to secure a win because we were happy that the squad had dropped, but otherwise we wanted a win because we need something. We're far behind on the table. I won't lie. So, but I'm really happy that, especially for Manga Merichu, that guy can play. That guy can really play. So next time I hope we secure a win and viva Porto, viva Porto.
Nice one, my brother. My brother.
Achi
mnandi hayi 1-1 yakiphumile
ngikutshelile ngathi 1-1 anti ama game la anzima vela anti so they are abe cautious but they will be playing safe and like I said it was going to be a balanced affair just like I predicted 1-1 nalane ngikhulumile uyayibona
nice one my brother
sharp achi
sharp my brother sharp my brother.
How's it my brother?
Mna sharp ramskipani
andi safe ngishap mina
igame ibone njani?
Hayi game coach wethu uyasdisappoint asamwe samahamba ugcinelani kodwa amazambian abantu abafast eDynamos aso team efast yabo thina silabantu abagijimayo abale intensity but yena uyagcina abantu Marwaro. I don't know why egcina abantu mfowethu no anyway back here Southern Africa, one of the best backers in Southern Africa, we share the spoils. Unfortunately lapha esifuna khona asikwanisi kuba khona.
Nice one my brother.
Thank you my brother.
Sharp
Let me say
mana udofu qozi buya bro
from eqalise
buya nje hayi uyakhuluma ukuthi ngiyakunika wonke umuntu yalethu my brother
bafo uhamba
mnandi my brother skibani
1-1
ibone njani game?
First half sidlale sharp we created so many chances but we failed to convert. Obviously first half ngama players, second half ngabani nga coach substitution yakhe ibe late unumber 14 wesedini uPrince it was a perfect substitution but ngabuya nje masinyane uyabona si home we can't defend bisa phela labana ngabonike 20 minutes but babisa sokosele 10 minutes as keep ucoach asila.
Nice one my brother mana wait my brother.
Thank you so much. I would like to take this opportunity as a fan of Highlanders, isn't right? The game was okay because it was Zimbabwe tape, isn't right? We expected to win from Tepeleland, isn't right? But unfortunately, these guys they are not getting paid. You understand? So how can you expect them to deliver yet they are not getting paid? Yes, they played with heartedly so that you can make something, isn't I will not mention a lot, but because we need to get the players paid.
Nice one, my brother. Put on uvumelana naye.
Hayi mina into engayicho sidlale kahle sibili into ehluphayo ingabe i1 uyabona umonga lo Pavara ama touches abakho good lapha kufanele bethola umuntu ongathwa uyababhenchisa kancane njalo into ekhuluma ngayo leli online ticket yidoti le ngoba mina ngigcina sesiyabhadala enye ticket uthola online ticket iko kule line khona okule cash khona iko ngela line khona so yidoti le yidoti le.
Nice one my brother. Nice one my brother. Where ticket?
Right bro.
Ticket is given.
Bro, una problem. Always mnandi bro wami. Right, I game ibimnandi anti. Igame ibimnandi umbe joni udlala igame manje yabona. But esikucela anti abadala lapha I ticketing system lana inzima lana yabona. Mina bengithenga iticket anti. Ngathenga iticket ngithenga ngetest anti. But ngangena nzima kodwa uhamba ukhethe 23. Ukhethe 23 kona ngimazi. Ngathola nzima ukuthi ngize ngene. Nje kucaka lungise badala. Ngase futhi ngalifungwezi AI anti. Tell lungise badala anti. Then uMarwaro anti.
umarwana ndingamsona but yabona matrenanga bengala mali anti ndifuna benzeni umarwana ezeni umarwana ngenzani uncengile amaplayer wenza yonke into anti lilete umarwana ahambe enga amaplayer ngatrenanga phezulu solani phezulu umongameli wenza yonke into wadlala wenza yonke into anti nalifunani mandebele lifunayo kuyini.
Nice one, TK.
Yes,
man. My brothers, keep on.
Shamba brother, my brother. Abafana badlalile sharp yonke into clean but inkinga esilayo abafana khaya ngani abasapracticeanga kahle abafana plus le mali khaya ngani imali ngani abafana lebaniki kahle abafana kabanikwe imali but badlale befaka inhliziyo abafana sithi danko siyabonga.
Nice one, my brother. Where City Gaga Ricardo. So they move a bit. Defenses. But Ricardo, skip on my brother.
Skip a shit.
Ipori wanajan.
Ipora. Agora ipora sidlalanga. It's 2-in-1. Like ungabona ipora lethu. Yes, abafana batrenanga we can understand. But to coach again ukuba ligwala. Angeke udrive imoto ayiku hand brake. Sidlala abafana befaka bangu2 ukuthi be defend. Sifuna uku-attack sifuna ukuhlohla. We just missed maybe 3 chances ekade is crucial. Why are we not attacking? Why are they afraid of attacking? Or I say understand namhlanje ukuthi abatrenanga yes is fine. But hayi badala bami lehlulekile cela livume lihambe. Angeke abantu besidlale kuthi khona bengaholanga. Ubonile izolo kwephuma beko Oceans. Abantu badlala ibhola namhlanje. Izolo they are being stuffed by the food that is not even good for their health. Siyawina njani abantu bedlala besindwa iziso. Khathesi abaholi lokuhola right amarent babhadala ngani. Thina ama-fans we don't expect them ukuthi abafana bebuye ku strike. Sifuna abafana bahambe njani betrainer benze yonke into. But hayi badala just accept the mediocrity that you have done. You have failed to pay the boys. You have failed to deliver. Angiqamba amabizo kuyahlupha. You have failed to deliver from the top to the bottom. Just resign all of you. Immortal is nikiwe sizibonile you benefited just leave and go.
Nice one, Ricardo. Where Fisora? Fisora.
So Chelo Skipan.
Nice one, my brother. What is your game?
I came first half Islanders edlalile. Initially mina zaqalisa ukuthi awula moto engahambi ngelafiwe. So abafana baso bedlale sharp bengaholanga. But all right, sesibe ground. Abafana first half bathole ba create like 5 clear chances. Sahlotla egole 6. I-conversion rate yethu idakiwe. Asidin sithi 2 slot rather than ukuthi sithi 5 6 7. Second half sesibuya sesidefender sesizitshela ukuthi sesiwinile. Into yenzakelele abana vela angikwazi kudla ubenji kumbe what. And then thirdly sufaka ilokuzeni abantu aba-attackayo alright uThambani umzambian lwana ukhipha i-best creative midfielder yakho uyapaswa mbani.
Uvumelana my sister Fis.
Ngivumelana naye.
Igame uyibone njani?
Hayi umongameli ngiyosikhostilelo lapha na vele. Yena bangafuzanga ingene ngepressure. Yena bekufuze phambi ukuthi tha ibhola lingene. Kuphela.
Vetis.
Pura yami.
Ofa Vetis.
Ngizwi pura yami.
Seliphelile 1-1.
Seliphelile pura yami. Uyawazi ukuthi khona ngike ngatshela umunye umuntu ekasi ukuthi vele i-prediction yami iba yi-1-1. And into esiyenzileyo it was well good anti kodwa into eyenzakeleyo Purwami into esibuleleyo ukuthi khona umongameli iporela lokugcina cina Purwami ade ufanele ukuthi aphombe ukuthinda
make sure
uyazi make sure yes yikho khona lokho ade ufanele ukuthi kuphela senze make sure ga sokuyigobhora ipenalty lana siyayibonga kuyu mongameli siyakubonga mongameli ngepenalty eyenzakeleyo anti phela siqeda lapho asifinishe nini.
Uvumelana naye my brother?
Yeah into ayikhuluma mfowethu ngihambelana layo. Abafana they played very well. Like each and every speaker ebekhuluma ukuthi indlela besenza ngayo best defender like there is a cup esithwele we are defending something. There was nothing to defend here. Otherwise we were defending i-draw leni yangale Harare. Bese so defender futhi la sesi home. Otherwise we should have attacked lapha. Ucoach wethu lamhla he tried out of of 3 games ube le 7 points. Yeah, alright. Of course isubstitution yakhe ingani liba lobuthutha uyafaka umuntu ozaswela umuntu ozomphasa but then esitshela ukuthi usefuna uattack kanjani ufuna ukusuka ngemota uyikhangelela amavira ayi3 khona ukhiphe elinye futhi uthi iyahamba njani akula moto ehamba ngerim phansi akula moto ehamba edrum phansi bese sibuya ku executive yethu Mhlophe sebekhalile ngawa abantu kade awulanhloni ngani ungumalukazana wendile abakufuni bonke kwayihlozala akakufuni kwayona indoda yakho ayikufuni usahlaleleni thina ku Highlanders sihlalela abantu bethu wena uhlaleleni Mhlophe
hayi webabuza uvumelana lesikhulumo eqeda ukuqeda yini
right isikhulumo esikhuluma lapha anda problem la seliqiniso leli eligcoleyo mina into engikhala ngayo uma hathi waye engela ku 80 minutes onga ukuthi ngabe iHighlanders yona ibisihlohle maybe ibhora lesi2 kuyibe yi2-1 futhi uma hathi bengasoze ngene phela ebeyangena njani antu yabona indaba so becela ukuthi sincedisane khona lapha ekudlaleni ibhora leli phela asomaphilisi akula mntolo omkhuhlane la
okay alright hayi ngiyamuzwa madoda yachinga ubafo lami mvumelana la sibuhlungu sonke siyibhozi after singa expect idraw namhla bese expect ukuthi namhla iDynamo senjani siyayichaya right okala iexecutive kulomdala okwakhuluma ukuthi umhlophe sicelana ukuthi sibe le clarity madoda kanti why ama players ethu striker thina kuthiwa thina sile mali yaholwayo kanti ba strikelani ingayi imali ekumeleni kwama players abaphumele egcekeni abadala besitshela ukuthi kuhamba njani financial situation yeteam sibekwazi okwesi2 right umonga hayi namhla umafana simbongile iphena samsola futhi sedlisela lapha kodwa lathi ucaptain wethu lani limbonile igoal yana eDynamos igame lana udala phana unjani udala phana la hayi uphambanisile ucaptain so hayi igame kumele sizayiwina but ukutholakile
baba Mhlophe asikuzondi but uyenza iteam yethu iwele echampion ichampion yakwazi into echampion into eflashayo ungaqeda ukuchema uqeda ukwenza uyayiflasha Mhlophe abafana bethu sesiwanika izimali esihlangana lawo wena uzimile nathi utshwala ubudulayo abafuni ukuwasislisayo Mhlophe asikuzondi Mhlophe siyabonga Mhlophe
nice one my brother mana ngize try Harare chapter ibe Harare chapter ibe mana quiz mana
China wepozo
so right sorry my sister Harare chapter ibona njani game
hayi abafana badlalile angilani solo ngoba igame liyani bisithi 50-50 ithi 45-50 kodwa ngokutravela esikwenzileyo ebese kutravelele sichelesile ngekudlala abakwenzile ngoba bekungeke kwaba mnandi uthi sifike eHarare bathi Mandebere taka kuroba hayi athi yabona manje
but otherwise get draw ya happy
ayi draw like it's good I right because bonke bebefuna alaphana bekungelo kade engafuni bonke bebefuna kodwa since besheye ama spoils it's okay iDynamos ayisidlanga lonyaka back to back siyalingana akula bahleka abanye siyafanana
nice one my sister travel safe one
siyabonga kakhulu
nice one
angwebhora wena
my brother
Kadebe Ukraine mtala
mnandi nasi ayiseliphelile 1-1
ayi mina ngidisappointed mtala 1 ubench ucoach wethu kariwaye mele 80 minutes ukuzafaka ama players ale impact uma hathi why emhlalise ebenchini ureason kathi wawonani ureason if I'm not mistaken anjo nguye all ama goals amanengi udlula ama attackers ethu khona pha but ureason akadlali why wamenzelani ureason wamuonelani ureason umNigerian yesimbonile anjo but second half kubo 65 minutes hamba all attack sifuna uku-attacka faka uMahathi faka uReason faka abafana bale impact because idimbarelana madoda it was there for the taking asifuna uqambelana amanga idimbarelana vele besitsha 2-1 or even 3-1 but uMahathi isono sakhe lo Reason yesani ukuthi ubafake ebhenchini uzobafaka sokusele 10 minutes
awukhalile mana ngizwe Maskman
yeah yimi lo Maskman yabona eqinisweni sikhuluma iqiniso singakhihli umphini yabona ubhenji into ayenzayo mina angimsoli isikhathi esiningi because I was watching the football but sesikhuluma ukuthi abafana kaholanga umhlophe sichasisepte abafana why bengaholanga abafana ukubukisa inumber zawo just because bafutha ngamamazwe bafutha ngama team mhlophe lungisa indaba yabafana badlala ibhola elimnandi give each chance abafana bawina abafana ba blind then bench phambili ngale ngicela ungoma lo ntombi lo umyakhona umngongo umNigeria ntombi wathathwa umngongo ngicela ubalungisisa abafana bangu2 cause ngibona i-great combination kiwo la bafana ungafaka uMahathi ufaka uIsaac ufaka lo umngongo this is a good team i-cream la dealer lo ilungisilele lapha
Nelson Masauto
sho wafo hamba njani lapha
namhla Sauto libisa nge3 points ulibone njani namhla
namhla vele yazi namhla adomele sibe happy thina silekhile nge-first half lapha first half vele besimele siqede ngakho vele besiyibambile iDynamos so laphana sibili umhlophe sibili mhlophe sicela nikholisa abafana phana badlala ibhola lokuthi asikholanga kade befuna ukusijabulisa vele
basekuyala
injongo vele kade befuna ukusijabulisa namhla befuna ukusichaza but sicela bewine phela ama-winning bonus abo libanika abafana abana bekhole mina ngeke ngichazeke ngithi ngichovisa so ngithwala umfana webhoso eHighlander ngithi ngumuntu emsupportayo akuvumi lokho ngicela ukuthi abafana bethola inzuzo yabo kuphela
Quincy Jones
my brother abaskipper
awufa Quincy Jones
ngiyabonga ashi wena njengoba la wadlala ibhola engu-right link ngokwakho mathupha ibhola libonile fine secondly mina ansolile lutho anti ngiplay ekade khona la nge-substitution triple substitution kuyabuyi-strategy lesana esika coach yakwazi ungena nge-2 minutes uyeqeda ama-sports we understand so then i-strategy kamaruwaru lesana mina ngwami mathupha ngingabalila abanye abantu angisoli ngoba ngama-trick and confusing players lawana ade wafakile ebekwazi even nge-1 second bekwazi ubadani le 2 goals just imagine kwasokuyala so ngama-sports and then thirdly sengikuthekisa ipampiri lona lithini ngokwalo mathupha amatrozi mangaki vele hayi lokhu vele kunjalo vele kunjalo between yena zeDynamos kunjalo vele siyabona nawe ibhora walidlala hayi lapho
it's one of the best. All right.
My brother.
How are you? This was one of. Let's go back up. All right. Laba basafuna ukhuluma mina think khuluma njani?
Akhuluma ukuthi ungayisabi. Ulibone njani ukuthi?
Mina this is one of the best football man, but let's go back to Rufaro Stadium man.
Tutulia.
Yeah, we always have the same thing happening. But my question is, our coaches, how many pitches do they have? Because a lot of people they talk about somebody graduated. Abama coach saka graduate.
Nakumbuzo. To coach wabona baye be graduate. But as strong as Pamba zivule icamera.
Coach graduate. Ucoach yena uyenza into yakhe yiyo vela yaziyo. Kanti
so ngithi bathi bebuzile ukuthi abanye kwababona be graduate.
Akazimboni coach graduate wami.
All right. But ulibhora namuthi libone njani?
Ibhora ngilibonile but yazi into enzisa ubuhlungu i1 la. Into enzisa ubuhlungu ukuthi ama draws emaningi. Ama draw enjalo semaningi. Plus mina lesikhala siyi1 vele istadium esekhoyikhulisa yiyo istadium abasibuya lapha koBulawayo. Cause ngani? Lithina lapha into abona ukuthi ugcwele ngakhona. Compare sabe siluzile but i team sayithanda i team lesuka la from phansi into eyodwa sesela sichelo umdala cause nje ubona kunyeka ilahla la. Kanti enze sithanda ukuthi abafana la bebe le spirit. Bona bazama ukuthi kwayilala siyasithole nje 5-0 especially masidlala eDynamos. Uyabona? Ngiyathaba kakhulu ngaba njalo.
Nice one my brother. But wamona ulibone njani?
Mina i game was nice. But ngikhana ukuthi ikholisana abafana.
obvious kholisana abafana sicela i-transparency yabona ibhozo ziyayisupporta but asikwazi ukuthi abafana bakhola malini ngoba nabakholisayo ama-sponsor ngobani yabona sicela ukuba kwazi khona lokhu yabo ukwenzela ukuthi la nxa sinjani sikwanisa ukuthi sichiphe ini yabona asila mali eningi obvious
incingise ngakhona okukhona
thenga amatiketi online but khona okuncane okukhona isinjani sifake ngizila abantu abaningi bekhola umongameli umongameli icala ngamholi umongameli ubezama his best yabo uBenjani I think he's a good coach uyabhayiza yebo ku substitution ngapha kuyatholakala yabo good result versus Dynamo sisamile because very timbarejani yabo bemfisa nje ukuthi ngabe kulomuntu ongakantsha unyawa ngicela ukuthi likantsha umember lwana uAmpendi weTimbare cela limkantshe
why would you charge rough nangu ufuna bekantsha omunye my brother
awukho iqiniso hayipo sidlalile namhla idlala ibhore engichazana nomhlawaza but into ebesifuna iscoring kuphela scoring angazi kwehlula ngawo ku finishing awudlala sidlalile sikho iqiniso sidlalile
so happy nge 1-1
ngiko happy because besifuna win namhla bekumele se-BF basi home la bekumele siwine namhla
anya kuzisa supporters mana ngizosamfana namhla njengoba kuyi Father's Day mafana utshela uDedu uthi happy Father's Day
hayi
mtshela
happy Father's Day
my brother nangu mfana uthi happy Father's Day
ngiyabonga boys
just a present from team yeyalile
ayiyalile namhla just disappointed nje ngendlela esiconcede ngakhona hayi kumele siwine masiwomele siwine vele ngoba home advantage ama fans sikhona siyaba supporta masiwomele bewin but hayi sizaba supporta futhi but hayi draw ya ifake ibo ngoba ba away kithi ayikho fair but hayi siyaloka si supporta i-team yethu babetha ibulawe but ayeke ibulawe
nice one my brother shaba mafana ube happy ngobona ibhora nice one uhlala ube lo mdala
apathuma ngameli udlisile
ukhala ngomongo lalela ikhudile nice one mafana nangu boys ukhala ngomongo nje
hayi mina isikhaleni laso laphana ukuthi ansoli lutho sibile ku coach but u coach ngalabe uyasizwela ngesingaye uyabona uNevaraushi uyadlala inibhora kodwa angazi ukuthi indaba bengabe kwemfaka ebenchini kancane bezama umuntu nje uMahashi uMahashi nje asiyali sibili mbethwani ngestory sakhe kanti kodwa thina silalela istory sakhe sifuna ukuthi nje benjani bengani bamfaka uyabona bengamfaka izami lokho bezama umfaka i90 minutes la mebonana ngatshintsha lakho kube ngcono ezame la ukuthi ngathi abafana benjani bebelile kuzile ntshukuntshu
nice one my brother buya program yizwe ngemva lo akawit buya ngapha ngiqede ngawo my brother bese mvala but ngithenge imvalo ngongakafiki uyibone njani
hayi eqiniso yini abafana bayachova into engithabelayo ekuchoveni kwabafana akulamsindo oyenzakeleyo ibhora is entertainment kuphela abafana banikwa imali kuphela ngoba thina lathi abafana thina silabafana esebenza nabo siyabanika imali ukuze besithande ukuthi siyabanika imali that's why la korobona besikhona sikhamba labo ngoba kufana ibhoso ingumzali wethu ingubaba ingumama ingogo ingokhulu ilegacy vela ayingekiwe even abantu bethu bayakwazi ukuthi sithanda ngenhliziyo vela iBlair Chiefs sihlala eBlawayo asiyali akungeke sithi support iBlair Chiefs but ibhoso chila moya
ngenkani
muri semko
ndilipo
ndokugamchira ku top 3 which is person most special game wariona Islanders ne Dynamos
bona ndariona zvakanaka too much but the coach wedu abhayiza pasi yaPio Pio ndanotamba na Dynamos ndiye akabata engine nyawanga akutamba ari 1 so tanga tazoshota pa midfield but we are happy of course vanhu vangati haisi penalty but mongameli anzvenga munhu akadona so refu anenge asina option obva angoti penalty but otherwise it was a good football
saka overall ne performance yatambwa ne Islanders ne Dynamos and the turnout
100% Islanders usually yatamba it was 50-50 atishori but refu naiye abato but papa azoti penalty nepanga chikolidza papa hayi ngagadzirise ipapapo but otherwise it was 50-50
saka totaura ne-ticketing yaitiwa kuti matickets agara atengeswa pre-match
tatenga kungozi mutown kungozi patinobheja mabhora apa zvakazviri right but patazouya panapa takosvika tangomira as if tikuda kutobhadhara cash asi titakabhadhara kudhara vanofanira kugadzira magedhi okuti tinongosvika tichibhadhara senge magedhi ikona iri akanzi exit iro tichingosvika tichipinda ka1 but tinozoita zvokukondrwa nembwa ehe so ngavagadzirisa ipapo
but overall performance yeteam zvese
timu yedu yanga iri right nehalenda zviri right
nokutamba kwaita vakomana pasina kana mhirishonga Highlanders
hapana mhirishonga titori navanhu Highlanders takutoenda komwa doro tese so
aitotenda. Thank you so much mukoma. Ndara musei
urisei
warisei vamwe
bolato
ndokugamuchirai kutap 3 person move special Highlanders 1 Dynamos 1
kudza tofarira kuti mutambo watambwa zvakanaka marefu anga ari fair but hai tineka kukonona papena ipo pasina kumira zvakanaka hayi zvapfuura hazvo but tokurudzira masapota ose kungava Dynamos kungava Highlander less violence hatimbodi zveuka bhora mufambo unoda kuti vanhu vangofara nesu takadai zvichofamba nemakumbo ma4 handitika tiri makrepoti toda kuzoona mukambo tozoguma takutya but tinongova nezvivindi zvokuti bhora takagara takarida
but nhasi sezvo maona bhora ratambwa zvakanaka rikapera zvakanaka pasina mhirishonga saka munoti chii muchikurudzira mamwe matimu dzine mhaka dzemhirishonga pamaground
pamhirishonga hatisi kutomboda zvinhu zvokunzi mhirishonga kunze anoda mhirishonga ngaaende anotsvaka kune imwe nzvimbo mubhora hatimbodi mhirishonga because mutambo ndokuuya kuzofara ino ndikufamba nevana tinotifamba nevana toida kuti vana vafarewo vadzidzewo bhora kuti bhora rinotambwa sei saka kana wakuita mhirishonga hazvifambi saka toda vanhu vaya desist from mhirishonga zvitina zvatakaona wadroko kwatizvidi izvozvozvo
aitotenda. Saka player akutambirai zvakanaka nhasi kudynamos nderipi racho
kochi vanonoka kusaita substitution nhasi vanonoka substitution yekutanga yavaita vafirst half yati kuurayira team mid yedu yadona but zvisinei hazvo zvangokurudzira kuti timu yedu kuti Perez angafanira kupinda masinya tatakatarisa Perez apinda kukazira so hatongokurudzira kuti mangwana coach angoita substitution yake yanga iripo but tinochikasira kuti mangoitawo substitution mawa
saka kwekupedzisira mafara here neresult yabuda
result ma1 ndivo takaita 2-2 Harare 1-1 kuno bo tatora point vakatorawo point sangoinza
aitotenda mukoma moitirwa zvakanaka. Thank you so much
baba changu, thank you so much
togamushira. Highlanders 1 Dynamos 1 ndo result ramakatarisira here muchiuya kuno
tichiuya tichitoda win hapana anoda draw kana lose win obviously tatakatarisa win all the way from Gwero tachida win
saka mabva kugwero over saka matickets magara matengera kugwero kana mazotengera muno
tickets tatengera pagedhe tichipinda panapa
okay ko nyaya yekuti matickets agara akatengeswa kare moiona sei
so far ndisi kuona kushanda kwazvo bosi tingopinda tese semugedhe tichingotora time tiri pakiu ari kubhadhara neakatenga
saka paroda improvement ipapo
magedhe ngaakurumidze kuvhurwa makeshiya ngaatirai kuseva fast slow
saka perfect chikwende ndiyapiwa man of the match nelucky bets moiziva lucky bets lucky bets ukapinda pagoogle luckybets.co.zw unokwanisa kulogaini ipapo ovhura account yako ndio inosponsor man of the match saka perfect chikwende ndiyapiwa aikodzera here nemaonero enyu kana ndipo akanganisa kupiwa
he deserved yacontrola mid yacontrola atamba bhora he deserved
saka result 1-1 rinokufadza here semutezero semunhu abva kugwerwa
harisundifadza ndandakatarisira win referee was not fair for me referee was not fair
ndepapa mungachema kuti apa referee ndo paatikosta seteam
as a team he failed to control the match. He was supposed to give yellow cards to stabilize the game.
Okay, aitotenda mukoma moitirwa zvakanaka. God bless you. Go back to Gwero. Tokugamuchirai ku-pass and move special yetap 3 Highlanders 1 Dynamos 1 result rebhora ndomamirira zvaraita nhasi munoti chii nemaresult anhasi
yanga iri fair result referee agona bhora bye penalty vanhu vamboda kuti haisi penalty but according to me it was a penalty. That guy adum on box nespeed yanga nayo ambva adona, it was a penalty but it was a fair game 50-50 and the 1-1 result is a fair result.
Okay, Lucky Bets ino sponsor man of the match saka nhasi papiwa perfect chikwende man of the match ndiaenda $200 nemaonero enyu aikodzera here kuti man of the match?
Yeah, he played very well, he deserves it. deserves it. Yeah, he played very well. 100%, he deserves the man of the match.
Saka initiative ye-Lucky Bets munoikurudzira kana munoona sei kupa man of the match each and every game?
Yatokurudzira ine ratapfana vanyatsotamba bhora because vanenge vaziva kuti kune ka incentive kachazoya after amhanya zvakanaka muground, so it's a good incentive and it's good for the players.
Pa 20 minutes papa pane pandaona coach achisubstituta achiisa rimwe player coach weDynamos. Munoti chine substitution yaitika nguva ziya after
amo masubstitution ndara akaipa anenge angoona kuti panapa ndogona kuisa munhu one ane luck, so he was looking for a lucky goal, he was looking for a second, so anga achifanga kutongoisa umwe munhu, same as me ndandiri coach ndaita substitution ndenda kutoita gambling kuti ndowane goal, but zvaramba 1-1 fair result.
Totenda Mkoma, thank you so much. Mkoma muri sei? Highlanders yatamba ne Dynamos Timbare, the Battle of Zimbabwe, ndo the biggest match in Zimbabwe inogara chitauro. And nyaya yokuti nhasi irapera zvakanaka pasina kana mhirizhonga itika muground, munoti chinazvo?
Ndo zvatinokurudzira kuti segame tofa nguva vanhu vamwe chete tichitamba tichifara tidzokere kumba tichindoona mhuri dzedu tigofara futi kuti Dynamos timu yedu. Highlanders kana titamba naye inofanira kuti kuziva kuti Dynamos hairoveki, timu inonatsa kuziva bhora rayo, ndo zvatongofara nazvo izvozvo.
Ndimbobvunze Mukoma wangu, pane nyaya yekuti matickets akatanga kutengeswa nemandi ekuuya muground panapo, munoti chine nyaya yeticketing yanga chiitwa? Mamwe aitengeswa online, mamwe achitengeswa mumasports betting whatsoever?
Pamatickets papa because indambotsvaga ticket around 1:30 kana matickets haapo, but pandasvika kuground anga chisiko. That one ameno tadzokera kumashure ngazikanziriwe. Then vanhu vakazara panapa tikatata kutopinda nezvehovhi panetsa kutamba. Then
Saka aizi nyaya yokuti change yagara inongonetsa kuwapo here, because kana change chitanga everything inogara ingori nema challenge. Hamungapi suggestion yokuti vaimprove papi nepapi?
Pamatickets matickets nganingodzoka pavhurwe magedhe ese, kana watengesa online ngavavhure magedhe online first, then tafara kuti bhora rapera hapana mboita musindo, tashowa maturity emafanzi, semafanzi tafara. Dynamos Highlanders no musindo.
Chokwadi igame ragara rinotyiwa nevanhu vazhinji reHighlanders neDynamos, but nhasi ratambwa rikaperawo zvakanaka. Mandebvu rimboubvunzewo kanhasi, nhasi result ranhasi mariona sei?
Result Mukoma wangu ndinyeberei ndo result fair result yeDynamos neHighlanders, ende pachokwadi dai imwe yarohwa kana dai winaka paiva nemusindo, ine ndafarira chinhu chakanaka, security denga yakawanda yatsaya nekuwadhiro kuya kwekuti security denga ri 1 5 kana 2 but so far dhimba rebhora ende bhosva yacho nayoka iutambo bhora, but ndo fair result yanditaura iyoyo.
Saka pa man of the match pane chirongwa cheLucky Bets chinopa man of the match every game. Perfect chingwende ndiyapiwa, munowirirana nazvo here?
Perfect atamba bhora mbanoya, atamba bhora mbanoya, ende mbano atamba bhora anoataka ende anocreate anonzvenga mbanoya, mbano anotamba bhora mbanoya, ende kochika ngaasabvise mbano uya marirwe mavhunga uya ngaasamubvise apedze game rake zvakanaka.
Totenda, I think vachateerera. Mukoma muri sei? Welcome to Pass and Move Depth 3. Dynamos 1 Highlanders 1. Mutambo watambwa zvakanaka ukapera pasina kana mhirizhonga. Saka imimi on overall kusummarize mugona kuti chii pamusoro wemutambo wanhasi wamaona?
Mina ngikhulumisa indebele.
Khuluma kiwa ile kuzenini ti Highlanders idlale 1-1 le Dynamos Timbare. Umdlalo udlaliwe ibhora laze laphela kungela msindo. Uthini ngalokho?
Mina ngisapoti iHighlanders okomsindo lokho aziseko this sesibambeni. iHighlanders sonke le Dynamos 1 bantu abantu beZimbabwe. Ife results kuphele kuyi-1-1 siyabonga. Abe Dynamos abe iHighlanders yi-1 bantu. Si-1 Zimbabwe. America babehleli ngokukula lokho ngokudala lokho. Fair results right yona le.
So what message are you sending to the rest of the fans in Zimbabwe ukuthi kona ebhoreni akuliwa mubhora murwi ikwa pana vanhu rikona supporter le Dynamos ndirikona supporter le Highlanders isupporter le Highlanders iya supporter le Dynamos bahlangene makasangana mise akula msindo ibhora liphele 1-1 lithini ngakho lina kono
hayi thina sithi asibambaneni okomsindo singasali sesisuka lapha sesiyanatha koSamrio ekonka koPearson kuyanathwa siyabonga madoda ibhora liphelele egroundini okwezibhakera ngokudala semafight nje ezakudala izi
ayo nyaya yekusaita noise tinoikurudzira zvakanyanya semasupporters eDynamos neveHighlanders tinoda kusapota bhora tiri pamwe chete because we are one people we want a football inotambwa togona kuenda nevana vedu bhora tonoukera bhora tiine mhuri dzedu tichifara todzokera kudzimba tiine mufaro sezvataona nhasi. Some few skirmishes can be found mubhora yes but hatina kumboona musindo tafara pakati pemasupporters eDynamos neHighlanders from kwatinotangira isusu kuPalace tanga tiine masupporters eHighlanders tichiimba pamwe chete kubva makuseni tikaita road show pamwe chete tichifamba tese hapana arova mumwe saka tafara zvikuru naizvo.
So together we're agreeing kuti kona there is no room for violence in football and
there's no room for violence.
Ndokutaura Timbare boss no violence. Ndufara mkomo wangu. Oh.
Ini nangu ndiri kuti Timbare nhasi ndakazvimiririra yandidisappoint. Timbare for 12 years ainomborova boss. Nhasi ndakataisira kuwin 2-1 but anhasi yandidisappoint.
Aitotend. Mira timbopiwa mumkani.
Ini chandiri kuchemera Timbare kepe Highlanders let's fight Scotland and Hard Rock. Those teams we don't know where they came from. Let's fight one love. Better Highlanders kana Capes kana Timbare itore kwete kusora kutora Scotland. Sabukanya tisita kabisa.
All right, thank you mama. Mkoma murise mwakachena zvisingamboiti
akuzamazama
saka result rabuda pana parinokufadza nokuchena kwenyu.
Result rakanaka aiwa result rakanaka just because Dynamos neHighlanders my brothers and sisters draw is a good result zvinhu zvinotozikanwa from hamene kuti rini tisati takutomboziva zvonzi bhora izvo tisati tazvarwa isusu and Dynamos neHighlanders aingozikanwa kuti aiwa this is a good result and chandinotenda pagame iri hapanoitwa violence from start tachitotamba nevanhu veHighlanders from hatitombozi chifadaya but chandotenda futi kuti league yemuno muZimbabwe iri kusumukira zvandotenda hongu kwaescott wati hongu variko vanoda chakanaka vanoda zvakaipani but Scott handitika Scott ari asumudzira bhora bhosi mukatarisa kuti maplayers kuti team iwine kubhadhara kwamaplayers muri kuonza Dynamos maplayers akabhadhara in time akabhadhara mari dzavo dzinobhadharawo nemhuri yavo because vanawo nemhuri vakabhadhara mari dzavo vanotamba bhora zvokuwina umoona Scott iri kupiwa mari vari kutamba bhora so tinongotenda nezvekuita Scotland Scott sapwanya kuti aiwa vari kusumudzira
bhora zvakadaro because bhora riri kuchinja totenda right mukoma maswera sei
maswera sei
Dynamos neHighlanders zaita 1-1 right ndisati tasvika pakutamba kwegame totanga nenyaya yematickets yaitwa iyi matickets akatengeswa before match zvabatsira here kana kuti hapana zvazvabatsira kutenga kwaita matickets?
Nyaya yematickets yanga yakanaka zvikuru asi michini yemwe yacho pane mamwe magetsi pane gate number 11 number 2 number 12 michini yacho yanga ichinetsa but zvakanaka nokuti zvaita kuti vanhu vakwanise kupinda nyore ende vanga vachinzi vane matickets vachienda kumberi auyawo nemari yake pagedhi uchiendawo kumasure asi zvanga zvakanaka ende muono wakanaka zvikuru tinotenda kune vakakutanga vaScott nokuti vari kuzama kuita kuti zvinhu zvedu zvive professional nokuti bhora redu reZimbabwe harisi professional asi vari kuzama by all means kuti kunyange neplayer iri kunze uku iri uye mukati meZimbabwe itambe bhora ichizviratidzawo kuti nyika dzose dzione kuti kune nyika inonzi Zimbabwe saka muchiona yangu vafana vedu vana Munetsi vakushaina vana Kambawo vari kushaina vari koko kwavanenge vari vana Chireva vari kushaina zvikuratidza kuti tiri kusumukira asi tozouya pamutambo wezuva ranhasi yes it's a draw match asi ndoda kuti nditaure pamarefu vasavhiringidza mutambo webhora tinoziva yes of course kana munhu akangoguma munhu mubox akadona vanoti penalty, but iyaya it was not a penalty. Asi uyo murume anonzi Chimhene uyo gai tingopedzisira kuti taura tichiti no, last warning yedu yatinomupa ndeyekuti tichamuvinga kuHarare ikoko. Wakazviita paCape United tikati tazviona, nhasi wadzoka futi paHighlanders. Mutambo wanga uchinakidza ende taona hama dzedu Highlanders vanga vakukanda-kanda zvimagubhu chichichi. That is not good pabhora. Kana mutambo yahwina yadyiwa, it's a draw match, we know that, but hatidi kuti vanhu vakande zvinhu muground. We know kuti it's their home, but toda kuti zvinhu zvifambe zvakanaka. Dynamos Highlanders ndo kana takutaura nezvebhora tichitaura kuti ndidzo dzatinoti hombe, asi hombe yesa iDynamos.
Ayisabonga. 2 minutes. Nangu refu webhoso lapha. Highlanders 1, Dynamos 1. Ubone njani umdlalo umqeqeshi?
Umdlalo all right kakhulu. Mina kahle mina Highlanders versus Dynamos and umdlalo all right. Clean. Akula into wrong enzakale nto. Main thing engihambele uthi imbuzo ubona ibhora lelana. Iyadrog versus Dynamos. Adrog angeke echaya bangani bethu. Kade babuye bezondile uzosishaya. Yabo? Bezondiswa yini iyadrog. It's very bad, but iyadrog la asoze iphume kahle. 2-0. Adrog versus Highlanders. Sure.
So indaba yokuthi lapha ibhora liqalela phela ungaba nomsindo yebo ukujika la ukani isigubhu siyakubona but khona kanti
enzakele mina bengisemva kwa ref ngoba ngqoke njengoref okade chaye impemba. So into eyenzakala laphana ku ekhoneni lapha iyenze ukuthi abantu babe harsh because uref abonanga kahle lapha. It was not a free kick or whatever what he call it, and it was a free kick for Highlanders, not for that for Dynamos. So abantu bayazonda angivuqamba.
Thank you so much.
There you have it, guys. The fans' reactions. It finished here at Papa Field Stadium. Highlanders 1, Dynamos 1. It was Father's Day today. And as you know, guys, please remember to like, subscribe, share, and engage us in the comment section. This episode was proudly brought to you by Lucky Pets. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. See you next time.
Pass and move. Mama sita tungo shakera mutuze. Pass and move. Atina shika tima chinjari we groove.